gonna be one take, 2 minutes of me shoveling. Go! You have to take it slow. God damn. So yeah, you have snow for now, but I have plenty more. I just don't have time to do that for now. So subscribe if you like, because it's gonna be all about that. And then after the big snowstorm, everything's gonna hit different. Gonna see me on my throne, the baby. Gotta keep it going on, the baby. Oh, it's so good being outside, people. Time like this, it make you remember that sometimes you have to take it slow. And my camera is shit. Alright, y'all.